You just, first of all, you just pause this and read. Yeah, just read. So first, that is your 118 question is, which of the following is the most, you, how to do this type of approaching technique will be your third episode. The best I'll be doing. I just read this in mm, 30 seconds. 30 seconds, just 30 seconds I just read. For this, all the how to read this and how to comprehend very good, and how to do, this will be your last videos. And this is not included in your masterclass series. This will be your next. After this masterclass series, we'll be doing all the strategies, or then we do for the legal. Then if you're not scoring well, we'll be doing that strategies for how to improve your, all of things will be do, man, don't worry. So first of all, 118 says, which of the following most likely to agree with? See, first of all, people in India are not, sorry, sorry, people in the US are not at all about the climate. No, it's not at all about climate. The passage states that we need to eliminate this because it's an extreme option, we can see. Okay, understanding. The passage states that the people are worried both climate change and the energy shortage. So it is an absolute and wrong. Eliminate. See, and second one will be people. When coming to second option, people in the US are worried about the climate change, and these are the concerns of its energy consumption habits more than anything else. So we need to what the passage means. The passage says that gas prices, not the climate concerns, influenced the people's consumption habits. These flips the cause and effect relationship. So you need to eliminate this. See, and the climate change has been result into the increase of the acrophiles across, as a result had to be invented. Okay, it is a too broad, man. The passage only explains the specific government actions, not the global pattern. This, it is an overgeneralized statement, you need to eliminate. So if you eliminate these three, the remaining is D. We'll be reading this passage. Changes in the energy consumption habits of the people in the US are affected more by the okay. It is a well balanced. It says that it is a well balanced, and passage directly states that gas prices affected behavior more than the concerns. So final answer will be your D. So when coming to your second option, what is your second, sorry, it's the second question. So which of the following is most similar to the other statement about the developed countries' renewed interest in the fossil fuels? So option A says that developed countries is not under any burden. If any they must immediately must. Here I said the must means it's an extreme word. You need to eliminate. When coming to section what second B, what is it? Things could what things could improve if such as okay, we can return it once. We'll be reading, it's good because the passage recognizes the challenge of the transition, and the renewed interest should remain the temporary. Okay, we'll be checking this C and D once, if there is a better option or not than the B. Since the investment in the energy extraction of any kind are very expensive, developed countries must ensure that they make the permanent and the continuous investment in the fossil fuels. So reverse, we can, the passage warns against the permanent fossil fuel investments. You need to eliminate this. Eliminate. It's a reverse logic, I said, no. So developing countries must not, I said the not will be your contradictory, will be signs of your contradictory, and also the fossil fuels and remaining is richer to use. Consumption, okay, must not. It will be eliminated because it is a it's a contradictory, and also the must means it's an extreme option, so you need to eliminate, and the B is a correct answer. So when coming to yours, third option, which of the following must necessarily be true if the passage is correct? The option A, the fossil fuels industries in the developing countries will face reduced sales in the short term with the increased. Okay. It doesn't, the passage, it doesn't support the passage, you need to eliminate. So because the passage doesn't discuss about the developing countries, understanding, developing countries fossil fuels sales pattern, ma'am, understanding. So I eliminated this. And when coming to your option D, what is your option D? The fossil fuels industries in development will see what will say increase in, okay, we will be retaining this. We're coming to C1. We can do as B. Passing a bill in the US is a huge effort, and it would not have been possible to make the new laws unless the government are compelled. Okay, I think it's an option is an extreme and also speculative, because here the passage, here what here the passage says that US passed the bill, US passed the bill, but doesn't prove that energy crisis was only the reason. Okay, understanding. So I just want to eliminate this. Understanding. When coming to, that is, sorry, you need to eliminate this option. And when coming to option B, the cost of making the installation substantially in the coming years out of scope. It is perfectly out of scope, because the passage mentioned investment in the renewable but does not discuss the reductions. So why it gives this much means, as I'm explaining you and saying, due to this it taking 20 seconds to, but you can solve it in 20 20 20 20 20 20, not 5 seconds. You can draw it as 5 seconds. Don't worry guys, wait. I'll be today launching you the again another CLAD paper with application and applying the techniques, because the video length is, you can see the video length is, now more than 50 minutes, I think. So I can't explain and do this, because YouTube can't, what we can say, YouTube don't give that much of time to me. So that's the reason I'll be giving you another video at the evening with the applying just only with the CLAT passage and applying application only we'll be doing. Don't worry, I am there. Yeah, Akhil is there. Yeah. So when coming to your 121, the option is a C, understanding. Option is your C. So 121, which of the following, if true, for the most about the what is the way travels and the fuel consumption in the US? Okay, resumed. Okay, we can say that people like the transit regardless of the season, and the only thing, only you have seen here, only means when I refer the passage also, it doesn't say that extreme, so I just eliminated this. So when coming to option B, airlines raised the ticket as a response to the increased, therefore fewer people were, okay, it doesn't support the passage, I think. So this actually reinforced the idea that reduced the travel, you need to eliminate now. So when coming to your option C, strict lockdowns were imposed on the US because of the moderate. See, it's a well balanced and also it's a well balanced, because they provides the alternative reason for the fuel consumption also. It weakens the passage for sure. So you need to be the answer. Can give you the the last one will be, this is your last, sorry, 122 I think. 122 will be your last. So I'll be explaining you the conundrum. I didn't explain you about the conundrum. This will be the next video also. So we'll be doing the 123. The 123, what do you mean by 123 question? What is the strongest argument? That is your strength in question. So a, the bill promotes the renewable but does not provide any for enough increase in the level more. Okay, it is irrelevant, man. It doesn't support the passage. The bill does not fund the fossil fuels. It's an incorrect option. Then coming to option B, it is also, I think so, isn't technical languages or no? The cannot. It's an extreme option, and from cannot is there, no. I did. Comment here more which leads to an increase of the consumption of the fossil fuels. Option B, D, C will be a correct. Option C will be a correct, because the passage states that the bill ties renewable investments to fossil fuels. Spending the contradicting is good. So that's it. So wait. Get ready. Get ready. Today evening 7:30 p.m. I'll be coming in the live. That's your premiere. There, where we'll be solving one CLAT previous year passage. We'll be solving two, man. Where we apply all the foundational techniques. Here, I just covered only three applying techniques, but don't worry. I'll be applying all these techniques into two passages.